After its arch-rival General Electric announced plans to begin local production of its F414 engines in India under licensing agreements with Hindustan Aeronautics, officials of British firm Rolls-Royce have said that the recent trilateral agreement with Japan and Italy for the development of sixth-generation fighter jet and a new engine for the program demonstrates that Rolls-Royce can work in joint ventures with India and can be trusted partners in engine development. Officials also said that the company is eager to collaborate with India in the development of a new engine for its AMCA fifth-generation fighter jet program and has offered intellectual property rights and 100% transfer of technology. European firm MBDA has offered its Exocet AIM-39 airborne anti-ship missile version to the Indian Navy that will be equipped on 26 Rafale marine fighter jets and later on twin-engine deck-based fighter jets. The Exocet AIM-39 weighs 670 kilograms and is a sea-skimming anti-ship missile with a range of 70 kilometers with fire-and-forget capabilities. MBDA officials have confirmed that the integration of ASTRAM close combat missile on the Tejas Mark 1A testbed is moving smoothly, and the Tejas Mark 1A will have ASTRAM missile fully operational when it starts induction into the Indian Air Force in March 2024. MBDA will offer its Akaran MP 5th generation tactical combat missile to India at the Aero India 2023. MBDA has said that the Akaran weighs 15 kilograms, and this lightweight medium-range anti-tank and anti-infrastructure missile is designed for open-field operation and urban warfare, with optimal fire-and-forget and man-on-the-loop modes with day and night capability. It features high-resolution multi-band images, multi-effect warheads, and multi-mode guidance algorithms based on artificial intelligence techniques. It has a range of 5,000 meters, and its modular architecture allows integration into armored vehicles, remote weapon stations, naval vessels, and direct firing post adaptation. The Indian Army has released a request for proposal for the procurement of 850 indigenous nano-drones through fast-track procedure under by Indian category that will be used for surveillance in special missions along the northern borders with China, as well as in counter-terror operations along the LOC. The nano-drones should be battery-operated and should not weigh more than 250 grams, and it must have a mission range of at least 2 kilometers, and endurance should not be less than 30 minutes. The nano-drones should have a GPS-aided navigation software to navigate through waypoint, and also should have vision-aided navigation to be able to operate in GPS-denied areas. The Indian Air Force is open to both turboprop and turbofan-powered transport aircraft for its medium transport aircraft program, in which the Airbus A400M might emerge as the front-runner, as it is the most advanced, proven and certified airlifter with state-of-the-art technologies that also matches the payload carrying capacity sought by the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force has already ordered 56 Airbus C-295 that will be built at the Tata Airbus facility in Gujarat, for which nearly 240 engineers will be trained at the Airbus facility in Spain for the project, and the same Gujarat facility with the indigenous supply chain can be used to build the A400M tactical airlifter. The US Air Force and Indian Air Force will take part in COPE India Exercise 2023 in April this year, that will see participation of fighter jets, AWACS aerial refueler and transport aircraft of each of the two air forces. Under the air exercise, the airmen will train in a range of missions, including air mobility training, airdrop training, large force exercises, air defense as well as air combat and attack drills.